Hi, today I'm going to show you how to bypass Google account protection on your POCO X6 Pro with Android 14 and security patch dated May 2024. We do this without a computer and SIM card. And don't forget that these steps can delete all data on your device, so make a backup beforehand and also make sure that the battery level is at least 50%. And factory reset protection is a security feature on Android devices that prevents illegal access after factory reset. To bypass factory reset protection without computer or SIM card, you can use the device's settings or specific methods. But these actions should only be performed if you have legal access to the device. So, we're gonna start with turning on our devices, so mine is already on, and we're gonna check if we're connected to the Wi-Fi. We're gonna swipe down notification bar in the right side of the screen, like this. So here you can see that Wi-Fi is connected. So now we're gonna remove the SIM card from the device. We're gonna use the original pin from the box. In case you don't have it, don't worry, you can use the normal pin or you can even use your earring, but be careful please. So press on it and we're done. And put it back. So now we're gonna go to the additional settings through the YouTube, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So tap on the YouTube and you're gonna go to the U and you're gonna press on the gear icon right here. We're gonna go to the About, YouTube Terms of Services, and here we're gonna tap a different web, FRP me, the first one. And so here we're gonna click on Open Settings app right here. So here we are, and now we're just gonna scroll down to the additional settings. Again, just to the very end. So here we are. In second space, it's a feature that allows you to create a separate private space on your device. It essentially creates a second phone on your device where you can have a different apps, settings, and accounts. So just press turn on, wait a little bit, and in case your screen is black, use your power button to restart your phone and you're gonna need to start over again. So now we're gonna tap on using the shortcut, continue, and here we're gonna keep the password. And here we are. So now we're gonna reboot our device. So as I told you before, you can reboot your device by simply pressing the power button, or you can use power button and volume up button together, or if you have assistive touch button, you can use it. I'm gonna use only a power button and just swipe to the reboot. And now we're gonna need to wait a little bit for our phone to reboot. So here it is. Now we can continue. So next step, we're going to the settings again. So tap on the gear icon and we're gonna go to the About phone, scroll down to the factory reset and scroll down again and tap on erase all data and factory reset. And now we're gonna need to wait 10 seconds and tap on next. And we're gonna need to wait 10 seconds more and tap OK. And now we're gonna need to wait a little bit more for our phone to restart. And congrats, the process is complete. The factory reset protection log has been removed and your POCO X6 Pro is fully reset. And now you're gonna need to set up your device. And if you don't know how to do it, you can watch my previous video, how to do it. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.